Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best double-sided tape is probably one of the most versatile and useful tools in any woodworker's arsenal, offering a clean and precise way to bond various materials without the mess and limitations of traditional adhesives. From intricate inlays to complex joinery, this seemingly simple tape opens a world of possibilities, allowing for quick adjustments and clean finishes, making it an essential addition to your woodworking toolkit, regardless of your skill level. This video will explore the best double-sided tapes on the market, helping you choose the perfect one for your next project. Number 5. XFasten double-sided tape. It's a clear, double-sided tape that won't damage your surfaces. It's perfect for crafting and won't leave any sticky residue behind. This tape makes even the most challenging DIY projects look neat and professional. Its clear design ensures a seamless finish. It's great for decorating temporary spaces like auditoriums or classrooms. It's easy to remove and leaves no trace. Use it to protect your leather furniture from scratches. It's an invisible shield for your valuable items. It stays crystal clear and resists yellowing, ensuring your projects look their best. It's durable and easy to use. From gift wrapping to woodworking, it's incredibly versatile. It's easy to tear and apply, making any task simple. What we like. This tape is completely residue-free and won't damage your surfaces. Its crystal clear design makes it perfect for any project where you want to maintain the look of the underlying material. If you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-use tape for various applications, this is the one for you. What people say. It comes off the walls easily, and it didn't peel any paint off, or damage the wood surface on doors. This worked on the fabric perfectly. I was able to apply it easily and remove it without damaging the fabric. It is extremely thin and flexible, I was amazed how sticky it is. Number 4. XFasten woodworking tape. This industrial-grade tape is perfect for various woodworking tasks, from splicing to CNC routing. It's strong, yet removes cleanly without damaging your wood. We collaborated with professional woodworkers to create the ultimate double-sided tape. It meets their exact specifications for thickness, tackiness, and more. The cloth backing prevents curling, making it easy to handle, apply, and remove. This saves you time and effort on every project. Our silicone-based adhesive provides a strong hold but leaves no residue behind. It won't damage the delicate surface of your wood. The tape's optimal thickness ensures easy application and removal without lifting or chipping the wood. It's the perfect tool for any woodworker. It allows you to create neat and professional projects with ease. Upgrade your woodworking experience today. What we like. Made for woodworking professionals, this industrial-grade tape boasts superior strength and adhesion. Yet, it's still easily removable without damaging your wood. If you need a heavy-duty tape for demanding woodworking projects, this is your best choice. What people say. It uses a woven core material that makes removal of the tape easier than anything I have ever used in the past. The top side adhesive cover is very easy to remove and the tape itself is easy to cut to size similar to paper tape. The adhesive is strong and the tape is no thicker than traditional template tape and holds the work pieces firmly in place with zero movement. It works perfectly, good adhesion but easy to peel off. For CNC it is perfect. This tape excels in strength and versatility, holding wood pieces securely in place during intricate cuts, templates, or glue-ups. Unlike other tapes I've tried, this one leaves no residue behind, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. I've used it on different types of wood, and the grip is consistently firm, providing peace of mind that my pieces won't shift mid-process. Number 3. XFasten double-sided tape. Introducing XFasten double-sided tape, your solution for strong, reliable adhesion. It's perfect for a wide range of projects, from crafting to home repairs. This durable tape sticks to smooth, rough, and even uneven surfaces with ease. It's as strong as heavy-duty glue, yet surprisingly easy to remove. It's designed for simple hand cutting and peeling. Plus, it removes cleanly without leaving any sticky residue behind. Use it to protect surfaces from pet scratches, seal cracks, make repairs, or mount various items. The possibilities are endless. It's built to withstand the elements. This weather-resistant tape is impervious to moisture, humidity, UV rays, and extreme temperatures. Say goodbye to sticky messes and damaged surfaces. It removes cleanly without leaving any residue or chipping paint. What we like. This durable tape is as strong as heavy-duty glue, yet it's still easy to remove without leaving any residue. It's perfect for a variety of applications, from woodworking to protecting surfaces. If you need a reliable, versatile tape for various tasks, this is the one. What people say. Perfect for attaching foam seats to bucket lids. The tape holds the foam to the lids well. Great product and customer service. The tape holds very well. Arrived as promised. On first use, this seems to be a high-quality product. Stronger than expected and probably too strong for small woodworking templates, but I will find many other uses. Number 2. HIPPIE Craft or Woodworking Tape. It boasts excellent adhesion, securely holding pieces in place. Yet, it's removable without leaving residue or damaging your work. This versatile tape is perfect for any wood type and works seamlessly with CNC machines and hand woodworking techniques. It's strong enough for professionals, yet easy enough for home crafting projects. The ideal tackiness and thickness make application and removal a breeze. Each side peels off cleanly, leaving no sticky residue behind. It's designed for ease of use and clean results. As a family-owned American business, we're committed to quality and exceptional customer service. We use trade secret standards to ensure professional-grade results. You get 3 60-foot rolls of 1-inch wide tape, that's 180 feet total to tackle all your projects. What we like. This tape offers truly superior adhesion, holding your pieces securely while remaining easily removable. It works with all types of wood and is perfect for CNC machines and other woodworking applications. If you are a professional or serious DIYer, this is the perfect choice for your woodworking projects. What people say. Very easy to work with, and had a very strong grip. What's really great is how easily it comes off, and leaves no residue. Works great. Enough stickiness without being overbearing. Peels off easy. Use this quality tape all the time to hold my workpieces on the CNC router table. I bought this tape after seeing similar products used in several tips and tricks videos on plunge and trim routing. This stuff works. It stuck the plastic pieces I was working and the templates and fence scraps down firmly, then pulled off without leaving any residue. Number 1. XFasten double-sided tape. It sticks firmly to smooth, rough, and uneven surfaces. Perfect for woodworking, crafts, and more. This tape is incredibly strong yet easy to peel, cut, and remove without leaving residue. No more sticky messes. Use it for gift wrapping, carpet holding, woodworking, protecting furniture from pets, and so much more. It's incredibly versatile. You get 3 rolls, giving you amazing value for your money. It's a cost-effective solution for all your adhesive needs. It's weather-resistant, withstanding moisture, humidity, UV rays, and extreme temperatures. It's built to last. It won't damage your surfaces. Remove it cleanly without chipping paint or leaving a sticky residue. What we like. This durable tape provides extremely strong adhesion for various applications, yet remains easy to remove. The 3-roll pack offers exceptional value. If you need a strong, versatile tape in bulk, this is the ideal option. What people say. The thickness and adhesion were perfect for my use without and bad smells from the tape. It sticks like glue, but can be peeled right off when you remove the template. It's sticky enough to use twice, which is nice. It has held really well, we're happy with the look and function, so we'll probably leave it as is. I should add that the tape is quite thin, so it doesn't add much bulk or thickness, which is good in this particular application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.